Dear friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. Today, I am going to teach you something that will probably change your life. From now on, you can't lose money in day trading. So listen carefully, pay attention, try to understand what I'm trying to tell you. If there is any difficulty, any doubt, feel free to call me on 9372672102 or log into NiftyIndicators.com and let us discuss. So, without much ado, let us start. It is easy to make money. I really believe that one of the major reasons for retailers losing money is intuitive trading. We use our intuitions. We have our preconceived notions and we use them. I keep, of course, I teach, I mentor a few friends, fellows, and students, and I keep telling them, when you enter the trading room, keep outside the way you leave your shoes outside. Leave your smartness, your extra intelligence, your intuitions, and your preconceived notions. If you want to make money, follow the indicators blindly, period. So, let us start looking at what are we supposed to follow? How are we supposed to make money? It is simple. You can see here the 5 minutes chart of Nifty for today. That is 3rd of February 2023. It is 5 minutes chart. Nifty gave a huge opportunity to make money, but people did not know, because you see, every now and then there will be a red candle, there will be green candle, they will be keep alternating, and we don't know whether the market is going to go up from here or go down from here. That is why I keep telling, let me repeat, don't use your preconceived notion or your intuitions, only follow the indicators. Now you see this particular thing, this is this red line here and this green line, this is super trend. We are going to use 4 indicators here. This is super trend. These dots here are parabolic SAR. This gray shaded area is Bollinger Band. This is upper Bollinger Band. This is lower Bollinger Band, and this is the middle Bollinger Band. And these are EM across. So we are going to use 4 indicators: super trend, PSAR, Bollinger Bands, and EM across. Now, whenever they give you signal buy, just blindly buy. Of course, with 20 or 25 Nifty points, stop loss. Now you see here, what we are supposed to do is, we are supposed to listen to or follow the diktat of the indicators. Let's start from here. At around 12 o'clock, super trend gave us a buy signal around 17,680. and it went on up to 17,860, about 180 points. Super trend gave a buy signal. A few minutes before that, PSR gave a buy signal and EMA cross gave a buy signal, and since that time Nifty candles have been walking along with the upper Bollinger Band, and they didn't even touch, let alone going below. They didn't even touch the middle Bollinger Band most of the time. So this is a excellent rally, and mind you, we can make money following the indicators if the market is trending. If the market is range bound, we can do very short trades or scalping or whatever. But then to make good money, market should be trending. That we can't dictate. If market is trending, you can make money. If market is not trending, we can't do anything about it. And how do we know whether the market is trending or not? That's the first lesson. Listen carefully. You see, the market opened at 9:15 here. It started going up and down. There were signals there. They didn't work or they did not work, whatever. If it failed once or twice or thrice, you lost 5 or 10 or 15 points, twice or thrice, but still keep following the indicator. But finally, at around 11:45 or so, PSR gave a buy signal here, and within 5 minutes, EMA cross gave a buy signal, and within another 5-10 minutes, super trend gave a buy signal. So you see here, PSR has given a buy signal, here EMA cross has given a buy signal, and here super trend has given a buy signal. You keep following. How do we know that it is trending? When one indicator is supported by the other, and all four are in cohesive agreement, they are supporting each other, then market is trending, and from there Nifty, if you are following, is expected to give 100, 150, 200 points from there. Or if it is Bank Nifty, it's supposed to give 300, 400, 500, 600 plus points. Or if it is stock, that will give big profit. So if you see here, by following these indicators, you can make money. Let us see whether it works for stocks too. Let us take, for example, Titan, today's best performer. If you see here at 9:15, super trend gave a buy signal, and rest is history. You can see here, along with super trend, PSR gave buy signal, and they went continuously up and up, and gave you big opportunity to make money. Now let us also see whether it is working for downtrend. See here, this is today's worst performer, Divis Lab. It kept on dilly-dallying up to here, up to 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock, it really started falling, and if you see here, PSR gave a sell signal here at 1 o'clock. Super trend was already in the sell mode. EMA cross was already in the sell mode. When PSR joined the sell, it started really falling, and you ended up making money. So you see, following these indicators, you can make money without any problem. You can do it maybe some days, some good days, a couple of times, some days only once, some days maybe these indicators will not give a signal at all. It could be too range bound and they do not give us a signal. Then with patience we need to sit out. One of the most important thing is to know when not to trade. So when these indicators give a signal to trade, let us trade and make money. If you have any doubt, as usual, feel free to call me. I'm always available. I'm always happy to help my friends. So if you need my help, don't hesitate to reach out. Feel free to call me and I shall be doing my level best to help you. See you again. Goodbye.